Hello, and welcome to a quick how-to guide to completing your internship application in the English department. The internship application form determines that you're eligible to take the internship, that a faculty member has agreed to be your internship advisor, that the site has agreed to work with you, and that the work is appropriate for our program and your major. The process is now completed entirely online. You can begin that process here on the KU website. At the top menu, choose Current Students, and then scroll down all the way to Technology and choose Forms. That link will take you to this page, which shows you a variety of online forms available at KU. At some point in this process, you'll be prompted to sign in with your KU credentials if you haven't already done so during this session online. You're going to go ahead and click English. Currently, there's only one form available online in the English department. That may change. You want to make sure that you're clicking Go to Form next to ENGWRI 390 Professional Writing Internship. That will take you in turn to this page, which I've already filled in as an example. It is really crucial that you have all of the information correct here, especially the spelling of the email addresses. If you get this information incorrect, your application will not move through the system. So please take the time to double check the information. It's not prompting you for your name because you're signed into the system. It knows who you are. Here, in this example, I've used Dr. Bleach, imagining he is your advisor. Here, advisor means your academic advisor, the person you've met with each semester to help you choose your classes. So I've put in his name and his email address. Underneath that, it asks for your site supervisor's contact information. This is the person at your internship, the boss you have at the organization or the business for which you're working. Okay. Now, the strange thing is, the form now prompts you again for your academic advisor's contact information. So notice this. I've got Dr. Bleach once and Dr. Bleach twice. I know that may seem strange, but the form is going to send it to Dr. Bleach, then out to your internship site supervisor, and then Dr. Bleach has to check some additional boxes, so it's sending it back to him. So yes, you have to put in your academic advisor's contact information twice. So know who that person is and how to spell their email address. Then it wants your faculty supervisor's contact information. This may or may not be the same person. Okay? Here I've used Dr. Shaw as an example. Remember that once you've found an internship, you need to ask a professor in the English department to be your internship advisor, right? So this is a separate duty from your academic advisor who helps you pick classes. Your internship advisor is going to be working with you throughout your internship semester, talking to you about your work there, answering questions, generally being a resource, and will grade you at the end of that semester. You can ask your academic advisor to be your faculty supervisor, and if that's the case, you would put that same person's name in for a third time. That doesn't always happen though, so this could likely be a new person. And last but not least, you're going to put in the name and email address of the assistant chair of the English department. Currently, that's Dr. Lynch-Biniak, and you can see the Lynch-Bin email address in the very last field. If you are watching this in the future, that name may have changed, so make sure you know the name and the email address of the assistant chair of the English department. Then you're going to click Continue. Here we go. Now it's taking us to DocuSign. The first thing you're going to have to do is click the yellow Continue button. And then it's going to prompt you to put in a little bit more information. Now here, since I'm signed into the system and I'm Amy Lynch-Biniak, it's auto-filled my name next to student. It will autofill your name, I promise. The first required field at the top is the address of your internship. So where you will be working. Even if it's an online internship, you want to give the physical address for this. Okay. Then you want to check the appropriate box for the semester of your internship and fill in the year. That's all you need to do. When you are finished, you click Finish. Right? If you have not filled something in and you click Finish, It will prompt you to choose and make sure that you fill in all the boxes you need to here. Once you're finished, it will take you to a screen that lets you know you're all done. And that's it. That's all you need to do.